Congratulations, guys. You are now a full-fledged student of that university. You are now a full-fledged student of that polytechnic or that college of education, wherever it is. Congratulations to you. But then, fun fact, you know that over 60% of the students who signed that matriculation register with you ain't gonna graduate when it is due. Well, I didn't make the rules, but that's just the fact. So the university is actually a crazy place. It's kind of distractions and a whole lot of activities going on. So for you to be able to make an impact, for you to be able to succeed, for you to be able to graduate as at WINDU, you need to follow some of these helpful tips. Now, the first one is that you need to know why you are there. You could be anywhere else, you could be doing some businesses, you could have one or two things. Maybe you want to fly outside the country, but then you can't do it now because you have to be in school. All these other things, they have to wait. And that means you have to focus on why you are there. You know why you are there. You came there to read, came there to pass your exams, and then you came there to succeed. So you need to know why you are there. Now, the second point is that you need to be hardworking. You can never achieve success without being hardworking. The richest people in the world today, we have them Bill Gates, we have them Mark Zuckerberg, all of them, they are very, very hardworking people. And for you to be able to follow that trend, you also need to be hardworking. Now, the third one is that you should always know how to get information and on time. You might be very, very smart, you might be very, very intelligent, but because you didn't get an information, maybe say a test holding by 12 p.m., you thought the test was going to hold by 2 p.m., you go there by 2 p.m. and everyone is out because you didn't get the information on time. So try to be in click. Try to get connected to your colleagues, to your notice board, everywhere at the school. You have tried to know what's happening on campus so that you be connected and then you know what's going on around the campus so that you don't miss any important information. Now, number 4, you need to take your tests, your assignments very, very seriously. Yes, they are not the exams. The exams actually maybe take 70% and the test and assignments 30%. But then the 30% mark there, it goes a long way in determining the grade you have for that course. So you need to be very, very careful with your tests and your assignments, and you also need to do them on time and submit them as quickly as you can. Now, this 5th one is that you should also have fun as much as you can. You don't have to be a workaholic for you to be able to make it in life. You need to provide time for fun. This brain needs you to, at some point to relax it, to play some music, you play some games, you play football. If you like going to the gym or you like doing any fun thing, you like watching movies, you do those things because they actually help to refresh your brain. And then when you want to work, you focus and work. You don't take the time for play and work, and then maybe there is time for everything. You need to prioritize everything. You know what you want to do, and then you go do it. So when you do these things, you perform at an optimum level. Now, the 6th point, you need to know the kind of person you are. A lot of people, they like moving in groups. They like studying in groups and they like doing whatever they do in groups. But then there are also other people who like being single. They don't want anything to do with group. They understand better when they read alone. So you need to know what kind of person am I. Like personally, I like doing my things alone and I don't associate with groups, and it actually helps me to bring out the best in me. Finally, persistence and endurance are very, very necessary for you to achieve success. What you have to do, it takes 4, 5, 6 years for you to complete your program, and for you to be able to have very good results at this number of times, you need to be persistent. It takes time, so you shouldn't just feel after the first year you give up and you don't want to work hard or you start resisting. No, you have to take 4 good years, be persistent, you try your best, you give all you can, the endurance, and I assure you that you will come out at the end of your program successful. You will come out at WINDU, and you will come out a very happy individual and ready to face the rigors of the outside world. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I'm Carl Ukechukwu, and I'll see you guys next time.